There's a line of quilting products that I'm absolutely loving, and I gotta talk about it, so let's do this. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jennifer Moore, helping you discover your love of sewing, crafts, and DIY projects. And there's this company called Plum Easy Patterns, and I am a big fan. So guys, I have an update. I've been doing some quilting projects. I have finished this folded star hot pad, and I have made a bunch of orange peel blocks. From templates, there was no hassling with the curved piecing, and this is not raw edge applique. This is legit piecing. Okay, so both of these patterns / projects came in my Maxie Mail subscription boxes, which are put up by Maxie Makes, and I'll link everything below because I've done videos with the unboxings, but I haven't been able to finish a lot of my subscription box projects, but I've managed to get through quite a few of these. So first of all, I love the Maxie Mail subscription boxes. I think the projects are fantastic. The fabrics and just the patterns that Maxie's been curating, I just think are great for the beginner sewist / quilter who wants to step it up a little bit. There's always a bit of skill building, and I find that each box I'm genuinely excited about. So a few of these boxes, one had this project. This is the folded star hot pad, and then again the orange blossom quilt pattern, and both of these are by the same company called Plum Easy Patterns. So they put out both of these, and the folded star hot pad was actually done using this very interesting interfacing template. So I've got a little video to show you, but basically you just make a bunch of prairie points, and it's super easy from Maxie's video. And then this template actually has enough for 6 more hot pads, which is a lot of hot pads. And it's actually these come together really easily without a lot of stress, and it's a lot faster than I expected. So I gotta say, I think this project is a really good one. This looks like it's a lot harder to do than it really is. And when you see how easy it is in reality, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, that's cool. So I did this, for me, 2.5 hours is actually pretty fast, and from start to finish, that's about what it was. The box came with all the fabric you need, all of the supplies. I could have hand bound the back. I chose to machine bind it. I missed a couple spots, but then I finished it with hand sewing. But if you want to make it look super good, I would recommend hand binding it. But I thought this was a really fun project. It looks really cute. And it came with quilt batting, but I also threw in a layer of Insulbrite just to make it better for taking hot stuff out of the oven so you don't burn your little fingers. This thing looks so good, guys. It looks so good, and I was really excited to actually finish something. So this other pattern, the orange blossom quilt, so this box came with some freezer paper templates, and you can actually purchase refills. So you can buy freezer paper sheets, and we're not talking the stuff you get at the grocery store. This is commercial freezer paper. It's like cardstock with wax on it. And it came with everything already cut out. It came with 4 sets. So that was enough to make 16 of these blocks. And I thought this was also a really fun and not too difficult project. Once you watch the video tutorial, you really kind of get it. And I could make more of these pretty much in my sleep. I don't know how long it took me to do these. Maybe probably a total of 4 to 6 hours, but this was the first time doing this sort of project, and whenever I'm doing anything for the first time, it just takes me forever. But then when I do it again, it's a lot faster. So I think if I was gonna do more of these, I don't think it would be nearly as long, and I could probably make a bunch of these. I'm really excited though, because I think these are super cute, and it's got a little, these, contrasting edges, and actually doing these edges, was it called the snowball or something? This actually took a significant amount of time for me, but doing the actual, if you're gonna do just orange peel blocks with no corner piece, it would be actually significantly faster. But I gotta say, because these are both from the same company, I really like the instructions, and I think their concepts for the construction of all these elements, it's very clever and it's very efficient. Putting this folded star together, I thought would take forever, and it was really super easy. And the same thing with the orange peel templates. You would assume this would take a lot more time than it actually does. but the designer of these patterns has really come up with some pretty ingenious ways of accomplishing what used to be a more cumbersome goal. So I gotta say, I'm a fan of Plum Easy Patterns. I'm curious to try out more of their stuff. I think it would be really cool. And I'm very proud of myself for actually finishing some projects from my subscription box. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these blocks yet. You can do like kind of a mini quilt. You can do a table runner. You could also do some throw pillows. So guys, let me know in the comments, what should I do with these blocks? Yeah, and the fabric for these is always Art Gallery fabrics. This, I'm not sure what collection this is, but this one is from their their solid collection. So yeah, I'm definitely a fan, and I just wanted to tell you about this company if you're not already familiar. I really like the products, and I think the instructions are really well explained, and they really make these concepts simple and easy to understand. So if you're not familiar with Plum Easy Patterns, get familiar. You can purchase all the stuff on their website. Some of it's available at like quilt shops or other online stores, but I'll leave a few links below if you want to check them out. But yes, I am definitely a fan. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button if you did. Leave me a comment, and consider subscribing to the Sewing Report if you enjoy sewing, crafts, and DIY projects. I'm Jennifer Moore, and I will see you again in the next video.